welcome back. So today we have a very interesting topic for viewers who are in India. So whenever someone wanted to write amount in words, basically we copy it from Google, or we basically use a VBA code. So I have a one formula which is obviously taken from internet. It's a huge formula. I will drop the formula in my description. See how it's work. Like suppose if I am writing here rupees 5,500 something, it will give me 5,500 only, and it is Indian rupees format. Basically you can write like 45,000, it will give you rupees 45,000 only. So it is basically amount in words. So if you can see the formula, it is huge. I'll just press F2. This is a huge formula because you need to understand everything. So it's better you can copy the formula from description and write it. And I have used A1 as a reference. You can change it by going in a notepad, and you can replace your A2 with your reference. So you can see here 51 lakh rupees 51 lakh. I'll just add 10 rupees 5 51 lakh only something 5 crores 10 lakh. So you can use this formula for your reference if you want without the VBA code. So just share with your friends this formula and like